Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle the text box using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. This is the web page. We are going to write the script for text boxes. So the scenarios which we are going to handle are, so enter the text here, then append a text to this value, then clear this text box and retrieve the text in this text box. So let's write the script. First, let's write the scenarios which we are going to perform. First one, enter the text. Second one, append the text. Third one, clear the text. And the final one is retrieve the text. First, let's launch the browser. iWebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Then open the web page. For that, driver dot navigate of dot go to URL. Here open the bracket and inside double quotes. Copy this URL and paste here. And put a semicolon here. Now first let's enter the text in the text box. So go back to the web page. So here we need to identify the element. So right click from this text box and select inspect. So this is the web element and here we have ID and name. So let's identify this element by ID. Copy this ID value and write the script as driver dot find element by dot ID and open the bracket and paste the ID value. Then we need to pass the text. So for that, in the previous video we saw an example. So to pass the text we have a function called sendKeys dot sendKeys. Then again open the bracket and inside double quotes we need to enter the text which we are going to pass in that text box. So I am passing the text as no tech. So let's run the script now. .NET run. Now we can see the text which we passed from the script is displayed here. Now let's move to the second one, append the text. So again identify the web element of this text box. So here we need to append a text to this word Chennai. So right click, go to inspect and here also we have the ID, copy this ID value and write driver dot find element by dot ID. Here also paste the ID value. So here also we can use the same function sendKeys dot sendKeys. Open the bracket inside double quotes. I am appending the text India. So here put a semicolon. So now let's write the script, that script, and then we can run the script, final script. So that one is the clear the text. So for that identify the third text box. So this is the clear text box. So identify this one, right click, inspect, copy this ID value. So here also write driver dot find element by dot ID, paste the ID value. So we are just clearing the text. So for that we have a function called clear dot clear. Now let's run the script again. So here we pass the text, here we appended the text, and the text is clear from this text box. So here if you want to add one space, you can add a space here. Now the final one. So we need to retrieve this text from this text box. So here also first we need to identify this element, right click, inspect, copy this ID value. So write the script as driver.findElement by.id, copy the ID value. Then we need to get the value of that text box. So for that, here the value is stored in this value attribute. So the same text is stored in this value attribute. So we need to retrieve the text from this attribute. So for that, we have a function called getAttribute of value. So this value is a string variable and we need to store this value in a string variable. So string, we can give the variable name as value in text box equal to this driver.findElement by ID. So here we need to put a double quotes. Now we need to print this value. For that, console.writeLine of just print this variable and put a semicolon. Now we can run the script again. Here we got the space, the text is cleared here. So the value in the text box is displayed in this terminal. So the first one is to enter the text, the second one is to append the text, this one is to clear the text, and these lines are to get the value from the text box. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoteTech. Thank you.